I am Anbu from a Department of AIDS. Let I explain AI in agriculture, smart farming using AI and data science. AI is transforming agriculture by helping farmers making smarter decisions using data, sensors, and automated system. It reduces manual effort and improve crop productivity through accurate prediction and monitoring. AI is agriculture mainly used for crop health detection, yard prediction, small iteration, present control. This making farming more effective, cost effective for future. Why AI is needed in agriculture? Farmers face real world challenges like unpredictable weather, water shortage, soil erosion, sudden pest attack. Traditional farming method depends on experience and guide works, which may lead to compare loss. AI helps to solve the issues and analysis the weather data, soil condition, plant growing patterns. With the early detection and prediction, farmer can take timely action and reduce damage. Major AI application in farming. AI is used for crop diseases detection by analysis leaf images using computer vision. It helps the farmers identify the diseases type early and apply right treatment before spreading. AI is also used for precision farming. It will provide recommendations about best crop selection and ideal plant times. It improve overall yield and reduce waste. AI for smart irrigation and water management. Smart irrigation system use AI with sensors to monitor soil moisture levels and weather conditions. Based on real-time data, and the system can decide when and how much water is required for crop. This avoid overwatering and reduce water usage, which is very important in areas with water circulate. It also support automated irrigation control to save time and labor. In pest control and crop protection, AI attack is one of the biggest reason for crop damage. AI can predict best outbreaks by studying environment conditions such as temporary and humanity along with the past pest patterns. Drones and smart cameras can monitor field and identify defective area quickly. It helps the farmer use pesticides only whether needed, reducing a cost and privating hammer to healthy crops. How the AI system works? Simple workflow. The system start collecting a data from sensors, images, drones, weather source. After collecting a data, it's cleaned and proceed by extract useful features such as soil moisture, crop growth level, and temperature. ML model can train to predict outcomes like yard, disease risk, iterating needed. Finally, the result are show the farmer through the mobile app dashboard for quick and easily decision making. Benefits and future scope. AI improve the crop yield, reduce the water usage, low farming cost, and increase overall effectiveness. It support a farmer giving yearly aids for diseases and pests, which is helpful project crops at a right time. In a future, AI-powered robots, fully automated farming, and selected based smart monitoring will become a more common with the AI agriculture. The food production can increase while protecting the environment.